I'm Mike Colts, Captain of Arvada Fire Station number 3. This land was purchased back in 1956. Started construction in '62, and we started running volunteer crews out of here in 1963. Over the years, we've had 2 remodels. We had we went paid in 2000, so we had some crews that were living in here. This year, we're actually going to demolish the station, build a brand new one. So we can accommodate the growth of the city and also the growth of our department. Yeah, the new station we're going to build, it's going to be able to hold our engine and our brush truck. It'll have sleeping quarters for up to 6 firefighters, have a gym that we can work out daily, and also some training props that we can train in during the day when the weather is bad outside.
Hi, my name is Ben Hamilton. I'm a firefighter here at Station 3 on C Shift. We'd like to show you around the station. Come with me, please. Welcome to our kitchen area here. And this is our day room here, where we can relax in the evenings. This is our weight room. And then we have 2 bathrooms, one here and one down the hall here. Both that have showers. And this is the officer's office and also bedroom. These are plans here for our new apparatus and also station that we're getting ready to build. And attached to our weight room is also the firefighters' bedrooms. We have 3 here. And this is an extension of the weight room, where we have a step master and a couple other items. And then in back here we have our laundry facilities as well, for truck towels and things that are a little bit dirtier. And our engraver setup. And then out this way here is to the bay where the apparatus is. We always have to knock so that we don't squish anyone behind the apparatus. This is engine 3, soon to be a reserve.